Pretty much all burglar alarm systems have a testing feature. And it's a really good idea to get into the habit of using it, say once a month, once every couple of months, something like that. Put it into test mode, open the doors which have got sensors on and wait for the acknowledgement bleep from the control panel, and then walk in front of all the motion sensors and again wait for the acknowledgement bleep. Any that don't come, you've got a problem with, and you know to call in your maintenance company to make sure that it's dealt with, and therefore make sure that there's no weak points in your alarm system which could fail to detect a burglar.